Alright, here's my unboxing video of my new Canway travel bag. It's lightweight. Well, I guess it's more of an unbagging video than an unboxing video because it came in a bag. First impressions, it says "We can anyway." That's nice. Sometimes, when you're traveling you think you can't, but you can anyway. Looking at the back here, it does have this nice Ziploc thing up top. That's good. Sometimes you like rip into the bags and the bag tears, but this is real smooth Ziploc packaging. Looks like they put a lot of effort into that. We can anyway. So taking it out, it looks like a nice bag. I thought the gray was actually going to be a little bit lighter, but I think I like this color better. Nice tag here, Canway, little orange hidden in here. Second impression is that my camera angle is a little bit wrong. Change that. Keep the bag in view. Nice mesh pocket on the side. It's got a great zipper on top that's good for, I guess, keeping it closed and opening it. Looking at the inside, looks like I think I can put big stuff in there. That's going to be really handy. I wasn't expecting that. Over to the side, we've got other pockets. More zippers. Again, just lots of zippers. Really good for keeping things closed. This piece here, it's got nice to put things in that way to keep them part of this way. I'm starting to understand the anyway part of we can anyway. I think that's what they mean. Anyway, you want to zip it, you can zip it, put things there. You got something, I don't know where to put it. Zip it, put it there. Put it any way you want. Overall, pretty happy with the bag. Highly recommend. I guess 5 stars out of 5 stars. Like and subscribe.